All right, Josiah Peterham, and I came here in the beginning actually for pain in my lower back, and that's since been recovered from that and a lot stronger and don't have that pain really, so that's great. And then from there, I ruptured my Achilles 2 years ago, developed some plantar fasciitis from that. I've been working on that, and that's slowly getting better too, so it's kind of amazing. And the calf strength is getting a lot better, and Tommy's done a great job with that. And we're just moving through the body, and now we're working on my shoulder as well, so that's kind of, next up. We'll see how that goes. I used to play a lot of tennis, so I want to get back to being able to serve and have a good ground stroke. Yeah, so like I said, originally I started with my lower back, and I was just getting a lot of pain, especially after golf. So I would take Advil before the golf, and that kind of helped me get through it. But then even like it would cut into my sleep a little bit. I would have a little bit of pain with the sleep, so wasn't sleeping as well. Wake up kind of sore, and now it's totally gone. It's definitely, he strengthened it quite a bit, and I think it was partly from golf, and just like I work from home on a computer, a lot of sitting caused that as well. Once we got that pain kind of alleviated and recovered from that, I don't have any issues golfing. Feel great. I golfed last night. Feel great today from that. It's pretty good. And so like while I'm sitting, and if I'm working for a while, Tommy gave me a couple exercises to do just to break up the work day, and that helps my back feel great all the way through, and that's been awesome. That's been huge, to be honest. Tommy did so well with back, asked him to check that out, and we've been strengthening the calf muscle. It's that one calf muscle, it's not the ball, but the one inside that goes all the way down, that's really pretty weak, and that's gotten a lot stronger since starting these exercises. We're on a great path here, and really excited to just keep going with it. Yeah, so we'll see how the shoulder goes. I have instability with that, especially like lifting up and above. It feels like it's going to pop out. I tore my labrum about 11 years ago. Had a good surgeon. Surgery went well and everything. Didn't follow through with my physical therapy when I was doing that as well back then. So kind of paying for it now and just working on getting it better. It's great. I'd definitely say the tennis. So that's a huge one. Actually, two things. So first, with this Achilles and the plantar fasciitis, I want to be able to hike, a good distance, going to the Grand Canyon in the fall. So it's going to be a lot of steps there, a lot of walking, and really want to be as prepared for that as possible. So I think that's a huge thing. And then the second thing, I really want to play tennis again. I want to have that ground stroke and be able to serve overhand and play with my uncle. He's getting older, and he used to play a lot of tennis. He got me into it, so I want to be able to play with him again. And I think that's the big thing for sure.